Good day, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden, talking about some of my favorite plants. There are so many favorite plants. Often I'm asked, what plant really turns you on? And I essentially answer the one I'm looking at right now. But there are plants that when my daughters ask me or friends ask me what they should plant, I ask a few questions about sunshade, etc., etc. But I always come back to some of these favorite, really tough but beautiful plants that almost anybody can have in their garden. Plants that I can recommend to anybody who is looking for a little success, and plants that do well in most gardens in most parts of the country. The one I want to talk to you about today is a plant called false indigo. Its botanical name being Baptisia, Baptisia. The reason I love Baptisia is, well, it's a native plant to start with, and everybody loves native plants, attracts lots of pollinators. But for me, the real draw for this is that it's very, very hardy, very persistent. I mean, Baptisia, once it gets established in your garden, it will be there 20 years later. And available in many colors and even in many different heights. Its name false indigo comes from the fact that it was once used as a substitute for indigo dye. However, that is a story for another day. The plant itself can be found in almost any garden center, probably in the fall or in the spring. Plant them in a nice, bright, sunny area, and you will admire the new shoots coming out in the spring, many of which have black stems and may have then white flowers, yellow flowers. They may have bicolors, and they can be quite spectacular. And over time, you are going to have and over time, meaning maybe within 3 years, you are going to have a beautiful clump of Baptisia. It is one of my favorite plants for many, many reasons, and I love to recommend it because it is almost foolproof. Not only are the flowers beautiful, but they produce these really cool seed pods. And the seeds inside the pods, you can sort of shake them around like castanets. They really are fun. But, once cold weather comes, they're going to decline and they're going to disappear totally over the winter. One of my favorites, common name false indigo, known as Baptisia. Get it, get out of the way, and enjoy. This is Dr. A in the garden, and see you soon with another one of my favorite plants.